we're back with a brand new Shop This List. This morning, we're sharing our favorite finds to reset your routine because we're getting back to everything season. Organizing expert Janelle Lam is here to walk us through it all. And to shop any of these items from Target, scan the QR code, add it to everything to your cart, just one click. First of all, congratulations, married lady.
Thank you.
We're so happy for you.
Thank you. My new name.
I know. I almost stumbled over it. Way to go. All right, let's talk about our weeknight meals. You've got a great hack for that.
Yes, I mean, weeknights, back to school gets really crazy. You want it to be nice and easy, and the crock pot is the way to go.
That's the way.
And this is an updated crock pot. I mean, look at the color. It's so modern and cool on your counter, and it comes in black, too, which I really like.
Okay.
And it has a leak-proof lid, so it's great. It's 6 quarts. You can bring it to a family event, a potluck, whatnot, and it just goes like this, and you don't have to worry about it spilling on your way.
I love it. I love it.
And it keeps it warm, too.
Ooh.
So it keeps it at the perfect temperature until you're ready to eat.
Okay, let's move on. Let's pack lunch for our kids. What do we got?
Well, also adults, we need our lunch boxes too, right?
By the way, these are cute.
I know, right? They don't look like a lunchbox, which I love. They're nice and insulated, and they come with these Tupperware, so you can put them in. They fit perfectly. They're microwavable, dishwash safe, all that good stuff. And they're just so cute by Fit and Fresh. But the kids one...
Let me see the kids version. Oh, I love it.
Isn't that so cute? So it comes with 3 charms, but there's like 20 other different ones on Target.
Okay.
So your kids can add their own personality, their own little flair to it.
Okay.
Isn't that cute?
I love it.
Nothing in it.
Okay.
Insulated.
Got it.
Which is great.
Got it.
But it also has this little water bottle holder, which, you know, kids and water bottles, they can't seem to stay together, right? So this is the solution.
Love it. Okay. Let's get to gadgets. What do you have for us?
Gadgets. We've got this Heyday mouse.
What is that?
Okay, so you can secure it to any countertop.
Okay.
You can secure it to your desk. It's really sturdy. It can hold your tablet, your phone.
Wait, what?
Isn't that cool? So you just adjust it. I think we have some video of it being adjusted.
Yeah.
But basically, you can use it in the kitchen to watch recipes, to keep track.
Brilliant.
Or if you don't want to do the dishes and you want to keep watching your show.
Or you could FaceTime a friend while you're doing your dishes because you want to have a conversation.
And it's going to stay nice and secure and at whatever.
Clamps right there.
Yes. Isn't that cool?
I love. All right. What else you got in the gadget category?
Well, you know everybody has that drawer or that basket of cords that are tangled and it's the worst. Okay, well, this is the solution. We've got 2 different kinds, but they're just cord wraps. They're under $5. You wrap the cable, put the little organizer on it.
Just cleans it up.
It's so much easier.
So you don't have to untangle. Yes.
Look at these magnetic ones.
Wait, what?
They stick
I like
together.
that.
So you can really easily find what you're looking for, and there's just no more tangle.
That's brilliant. I love those. And inexpensive.
Yes.
Let's organize our lives, shall we? I know you love an organizer.
I love an organizer, and I actually love Bright Room is the organization line at Target, which I use basically every day for my clients. But they came out with a car line, which got me way too excited. And it comes with this little insulated bag, so you can take this into the grocery store, put all of your perishables, and then it can have a spot to go in the car so it's not moving around. And you can use this for sports activities. You can use it for snacks. Whatever you want, and it's not going to slide around in your car because there's a little Velcro strip.
Brilliant. Okay. And this is great to have by the seats, right?
You know that black hole next to the console and the seat and everything falls in it and you can't get it? This is a gap filler. And you basically can put your phone or your sunglasses, AirPods, the garage clicker, and it's going to fill that little gap so nothing's going to get lost.
You're so smart.
Your console's organized so you don't have things there anymore. Done.
How's life?
Great.
You're so happy.
Yes.
So happy for you, Janelle.
Thank
All right, start shopping. Scan our QR code. Go to today.com/shop the list. And we should mention that Today does earn a commission on purchases made from this segment.